Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign out from all accounts in the Booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Booking app, and here it opens up in the search menu where we can look for accommodations. From here we have to go into the profile menu. Then we have to tap on manage your account, then on security, and here at the bottom we find active sessions. If we tap on this, then we get an option to tap on sign out and sign out from all of the accounts, from all devices that we have, except the one that we use right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hey.